Are you looking for the best motorcycle helmets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best motorcycle helmets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bell Race Star DLX Flex. For more than a year, we've tested the Bell Race Star DLX Flex, $820, which continues to be our happy place lid for overall comfort and long rides. The helmet's padding is incorporated with magnets, and they're the easiest to remove of any helmet we've tested. If you've been on the road for dozens of hours sweating into a container, removing the pads and giving them a wash feels like $1,000,000. The magnetic attachment system from Bell makes maintenance far easier than snap-in setups. While this helmet is not as svelte as the AGV K6S, it's no heavyweight either. For longer trips, a lower weight counts. We also like the Panavision ProTint photochromic visor. The lens automatically darkens when you're under direct sunlight, and the lens clears if the sky becomes cloudy or rainy. Meaning, you don't need to pull over and fish out eye shades, which is a major bonus. One demerit is that the visor isn't pin-lock compatible, so you don't get the benefits of that defogging system. Small controls are in place for the brow and chin exit and jaw vents, which are easy to actuate. The aeration system works superbly, so this helmet can help cool you down when the road is roasting. Also, the pads are dual density. While the fit is snug, the helmet never feels too tight, and that close fit makes this the quietest helmet we have tested. The Star DLX Flex is designed for a more upright rider position. We really dig it for all-day rides, as well as a mix of fast ADV sections, on dirt roads that aren't ultra-technical, and long pulses of curvy pavement. This superior lid is backroads comfy, smooth on highways, and very quiet. Without a doubt, this low-turbulence design is great for big days in the saddle. Number 2. Shoei Neotec III. While the Shoei Neotec III, $900, doesn't get an ECE 22.06 rating, it's still exceptionally safe. The UK Sharp Rating Agency, an independent testing body, gives this construction 5 out of 5 stars, which is telling in our book. As for function, the Neotec III is nearly as quiet as the Shoei C5 modular, and we think it's comfier. The design has very cushy internal padding, especially the cheek pads. Excellent venting helps to reduce fogging up, even at low speeds, but doesn't whistle at 60 miles per hour. We love the convenience of lifting up the bottom half of a modular helmet, so we can take a swig of water or chat with buddies. But usually, air leaks lead to howls on the highway, which we didn't experience with the Neotec III. Shoei should get props for the meaty controls. We could easily find the center detent to raise the visor or pop the lock to raise the chin bar. Both the chin and top vent controls also slid with ease, even on a cold highway ride while wearing oversized winter mitts. For communication, the brand included the routing for their in-house SRL3 cables and speakers, which use the Sena protocol technology. That way, you can seamlessly talk with pals who ride with Sena comms in their own helmets without needing to pair the devices. The SRL3 setup is a separate purchase, though. One factor is that this Shoei is a hair heavier than the Shoei C5. However, the Neotec III comes in 3 shell sizes, while the Shoei is available in 2. Again, the Neotec III is massively comfortable. Mile after mile, we found ourselves marveling at the cushy fit and the aerodynamics that quelled the wind. For daily shreds, you'd be pretty hard-pressed to find a better choice. Number 3. Shoei GT-Air II. A close relative to the Shoei Neotec III, the Shoei GT-Air II, $699, is a great alternative for those not interested in a modular design or for those wanting something a bit more wallet-friendly without compromising quality. While Shoei does not ECE certify its helmets in the USA, the DOT rating and its history of superior safety ensure a premium level of protection. The vents on the GT-Air II are impressively easy to operate while riding, even with heavy gloves. We appreciated this feature during high alpine rides where the weather quickly shifted. This is a notable improvement from some previous Shoei models that we have tested over the years. The visor also has an extra detent to allow riders to keep it cracked for extra airflow, but we didn't find this feature necessary. The integrated solar shield came in handy as well, both on sunrise and sunset rides or on long mileage days when wearing sunglasses can result in pain points on the temples and ears. After hundreds of miles of riding Colorado mountain backroads and highways, we did identify a couple small areas for improvement. The helmet itself is larger and a bit heavier than other top choices, but its overall stability and comfort, even at high speeds, was not noticeably compromised. The helmet was a smidge noisier than expected, too. We recommend riding with ear protection anyway, which rendered this issue unnoticeable. If you're like us and enjoy tunes on the road, this model is designed to work seamlessly with the Sena SRL2 intercom system, sold separately. There is a dedicated area for the device on the side of the helmet, as well as wire channeling built into the internal mold, a battery storage compartment at the neck, and recesses for the microphone and speakers. These features are ideal if you're using the compatible device, but we found that, although not impossible, they were actually a slight hindrance when installing a different brand of intercom system. In our experience, Shoei consistently delivers incredibly comfortable helmets. With 6 helmet sizes and the option to swap internal pads for an even more specialized fit, they continue to shine for overall fit. The sizing runs true to their size chart, too, which makes online ordering less stressful. Overall, we highly recommend the GT-Air II for its smooth wear, versatility, and quality of materials. Number 4. KLIM Krios Pro. ADV helmets with a peak that shades your eyes and a spoiler can be a bit fat. The KLIM Krios Pro, $750, breaks the odds. This moto shield is insanely lightweight, especially for all the features packed in. We credit the Koroid, an inaugural moto technology previously in bicycle helmets. The material uniformly equalizes force in a crash, like the crumple zone of a car, where the accordion dissipates force by spreading the energy. Koroid is composed of thousands of tiny tubes, so it's mostly air. At speed, we noticed the Krios Pro is exceptionally well vented. Even though the brow venting is minimal, we felt the airflow over our dome as we rode. Unfortunately, the minimal forehead slit meant this bean saver got toasty when we were pawing around an off-road track in first gear. To help, the large mouth port adds suction and prevents fogging. We love the brilliant, no tools designed to remove the peak and visor. Just twist the dual locks on either temple and unthread the top screw. Then, you can remove or adjust the angle of the eye shade. Once the anchors are popped, you can even yank the visor off to pair the lid with goggles. Or swap out the clear lens for the bonus photochromic one, which darkens in sunlight and brightens in shade. Dual sport riders that move between forested dirt track and pavement will especially appreciate a photochromic option. Or if you want a quieter helmet that still protects your eyes, lose the peak and keep the lens attached. Oversized controls for ventilation at the mouth port are a major bonus. You might recognize the Fidlock chin clasp from ski helmets. The magnetic clasp easily snaps shut, which is especially handy while wearing gloves. If you have a Sena Bluetooth kit already, then you're in luck because the Krios Pro is designed to be compatible with the system. Drawbacks? Peaked lids will always be a little noisier than their smoother counterparts. While the Krios Pro has a dual position option for its peak, finding the ideal angle for shielding your eyes while not having air pressure at higher speeds is a bit tough. That said, this ultra-lightweight design diminished fatigue while steering off-kilter rocks and gritty trails as well as blasting down the interstate. Number 5. O'Neill Sierra Helmet. The O'Neill Sierra helmet packs a robust combination of features ideal for safety and comfort. Here's a quick breakdown for your script. Material quality, made from 100% nylon and featuring a polycarbonate/ABS shell construction, the helmet ensures durability and impact resistance. Imported design, designed with precision, its imported build reflects premium craftsmanship. Integrated face shield, offers seamless visibility and protection, ideal for various riding conditions. Adjustable helmet shield, the height-adjustable shield adds versatility, letting you adapt to changing light or weather conditions. Comfort and fit, equipped with a padded chin strap and double D safety lock for enhanced comfort and a secure fit during long rides. Certified safety, meets DOT FMVSS 218 and ECE 22.05 safety standards, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Would you like help framing this information into a script or expanding on specific aspects, like its real-world performance?